one, go! AKIRA Racing, AKIRA Racing, AKIRA Racing! Yeah! Welcome to the AKIRA Racing Show! And I'm your host, Richard.
And I am Harry. Thanks very much for looking at our channel. So what kind of things will you expect to see, Richard?
Lots of custom designs, everything from drones, boats, helicopters, jet wings, and FPV wingsuits.
Yes, so we like to do lots of different things, including 3D printing and live streams. So make sure you tune in. When will they expect them to be like?
I'm thinking Tuesdays we normally do it around 6 o'clock in the morning.
The
we release the episodes,
and
whereas the live streams they tend to be sort of towards
Later.
like 5 o'clock
Later in the
give or
week,
take,
yes.
on a Thursday or Friday. So stick with us, we do lots of different things. Just tune in on all the different platforms and let's get into it.
And
In 3, 2, 1, race!